Okay everyone, let's try to create this presentation. At first you think it have nothing special, but the special thing about it, let me just delete these two things for you to better see. The special thing about this presentation is the transition, and you will learn more about what is special whenever we delete it. Okay, if you want to learn how to create this, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this. At first, we create a blank space. In our blank space, we go to Format Background and set the background from Insert and find the background from our files and put it here. We put the background here. Then, the thing we are going to do, we are going to icons, and we are searching for something. Let's wait a little. It sometimes takes a while to open, but it's not important, you can always wait. Okay. I don't know, it takes more time than always. Let's go and see it, find the diamonds. The diamond here is an icon, we can find it from here. If you open our eyes, I'm so stupid at finding things. So stupid. I think I should call my mom to find it for myself. Okay, we can find it, but the important thing is that the icon we are using is from here. You can find it. Search a little more. Let's search, for example, diamond. Oh, we find it. We find it. Okay. The search bar is for the lazy people like me. We love the search bar. This is the best. It's take a little time to download them. We wait. We don't have anything more to do. Okay. After we creating that, we press Ctrl and Shift to increase it in size. Then we easily change the color to white. And after doing that, we are going to use this picture that we have here. The picture we have here is the important thing is that we need this picture for the intro. We just copy that picture that we inserted from the past and paste it here and then send it to back. After doing that, what we are going to do, we are going to create the next slide. This slide is nothing special, but it has a little trick in this slide. I'm going to show you what is the little trick in this slide. The important thing is that when we are sewing it like this, it has nothing special, but it has a little special thing. Let's create that. We copy this slide, okay? Now, for the text, for you another time to see, the text are coming from low size to the best size. How we create that effect? After we need to make the diamond as small as possible. Let us zoom in, and by Ctrl Shift you must make it so small but not rotate it. Okay, it's good. Then after making it small, put it up like it's going out of the presentation. Okay, it's good. After doing that, select this picture and go to picture corrections, and here in picture transparency, make it low. You see, make it low. And after making it low, it's important the transparency item is by yourself. You can choose whenever you want. The important thing is about these two texts. We just copy the text and paste them here, but we just copy them and paste them here too. But the important thing is we need to reduce them in size. We press Ctrl and Shift. You see, when we are doing this, it's not work like we want. What we do, we go here and set the font to 1. Now, just simply put both of them to here. Then set the transparency here, transition to morph, and make a time a little longer. Now the magic is here. You see, it's really beautiful and amazing to see how smooth the transition is and everything else. Okay, if you love it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer.